MF Travels presents Laguna Kaan Luum in Tulum, Mexico. Just 15 minutes by car from downtown Tulum, Laguna Kaan Luum makes for a great day trip. It's often included as a stop on tours of Tulum, along with other cenotes and beaches. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Usually this lagoon has turquoise waters, but I think because it's rainy season, the color of the water turned yellowish, just like rainwater. See that circular deep blue water? The question is, can you dive at Laguna Kaan Luum? The answer is yes. This is a diver's dream, but you must be a certified diver and book ahead of time to explore the deep underwater cave. If you're scuba certified, this is your chance to explore the deep section in the center of Kaan Luum. Now I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of the drone shots and enjoy the relaxing music as well. Don't forget to book your vacation and activities with me, MF Travels.